Morning, dear students. I am Kallol Kumar Biswas, Assistant Teacher English, Poura Secondary School, Mobile. Dear students, I welcome you to my online class. Today we shall learn about connector. Now, let us see and know what is connector and what are its uses. Connectors are those words which connect to words, phrase or sentences. So there are mainly three kinds of connectors. One is subordinating connector, such as if, when, while, after, before, so that, who, which, that, etc. Coordinating connector, and but or not only but also, etc. Correlative connector, so that, not only but also both, and these are correlative connector. And there are some adverbs like again, firstly, secondly, thirdly. So these are some adverbials. This is also used as connector. Now let us see how to use connector and fill in the blanks. Students are the future hope and strength of a nation. Their main duty is to study well. তাদের প্রধান কাজ পড়াশোনা করা। They cannot go to school. এখন তারা স্কুলে যেতে পারছে না। Their schools are closed for corona disease. কারণ তাদের স্কুল এখন করোনা রোগের জন্য বন্ধ আছে। This condition goes on, future will sink into darkness. যদি এই অবস্থা চলতে থাকে তাহলে তাদের ভবিষ্যৎ অন্ধকারে নিমজ্জিত হবে। The government should open the schools. সরকারের উচিত এই স্কুলগুলি খুলে দেওয়া। এখানে কিছু গ্যাপ আছে, A, B, C, D, E, এই 5টি গ্যাপ আছে। 5টি গ্যাপে তোমাদের কানেক্টর বসাতে হবে। তোমাদের সুবিধার জন্য আমি এখানে কিছু for your privileges, benefits, I have written some connectors here. Connectors are, these are some connectors you have to use. Fill in the blanks, taking one connector from this table to the gap. Here, these students are the future hope. Again, here we can choose and future hope and strength of a nation. Their main duty is to do well, bhalo kora, but they cannot go to school now because or as their school are closed for corona disease. If this condition goes on, their future will sink into darkness. So the government should open all schools. Dear students, I think you could have understood very well. Now I am telling you something that you can use many words, because if these connector are not given in the box, you could use in this way. Therefore, as a result, so, and as well as go to school, because as same category connector. Or if this condition goes on, provided that, you can write provided that this condition goes on, their future seems darkness. So this one is done for you. Try, and thank you so much. One is done for you. I have given you some more examples. Try to do it at home. If you have any problem, I shall solve it in next class. And comment on my video, say your problems. Stay at home. Thank you so much. See you again in another class in another day. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.